In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the best HDR settings for gaming on Windows PC. I'm going to show you how to configure the best HDR or high dynamic range settings for your Windows. Just assuming your computer's hardware supports it, so assuming it does support the HDR. It should be an HDR-capable display and an HDR-capable GPU, as well as a DP or HDMI cable. So this should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in Settings. Now, the first match, go ahead, open that up, and now just scroll down on the home page. Scroll down until you find Display, click on it, and after you click on it, just click on HDR, as you can see. And now this window will pop up for you, and now you can see that display capabilities, and if you have a capable HDR display, which I do not have, in my case, you will see options underneath where it says select a display to view or change its settings. And you would select the display you want to modify, you would just go ahead and click on it. And there will be options under display capabilities you will find to use HDR or play streaming HDR video and toggle it on. After that, just go ahead to the search menu, type in nightlight, and make sure the nightlight mode is turned off, as you can see, because it may be affecting your HDR settings. And when you go ahead and turn it off, the HDR settings will be the best for gaming on your Windows PC. This was an easy, quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.